Friends, welcome back to Eat Indian channel, and today I'm bringing to you really delicious, easy to make at home onion rings with few pantry staples. We've used turmeric for that beautiful golden color, and I bet you everyone in the family is going to love this dish. So begin by chopping an onion in a circular manner. You want thick slices, so cut a big chunk off and separate the rings. Once they are separated, we will prepare our batter. Alright, let's set this aside. I'm using yellow onion. You can try it with red onions or white onions as well. Let's prepare batter with 1 cup of flour. You can use all-purpose or whole wheat. I'm using regular atta flour, and then 1/4 cup of rice flour. Rice flour will give it crispiness. Now to add in some flavor, we are using garlic salt. So let's add in 1/4 teaspoon garlic salt, add in regular salt and chili powder for some heat. You can also use cayenne or paprika, mix them well. Now if you want some color, you can add in turmeric. This is totally optional, but it definitely lends to the color, and turmeric has antiseptic properties too. Alright, once these spices are well combined, we'll add in water to make a thick batter. So thick batter is the key. You don't want thin batter, otherwise it will just fall off from the onion rings. Alright, look at that. Make sure there are no lumps. Once your batter is ready, coat in this batter on the rings, and then we are ready to fry them. So I've coated all the rings. We'll set them aside. Once your oil is hot, that's the key. If the oil is not hot, the rings will sink to the bottom. So you want to check and make sure that the oil is hot. You can use the thermometer if you've got one. Candy thermometer can be used. Otherwise, just give one ring a try. If it sizzles, it means oil was ready. You'll cook it for 2 to 3 minutes until they turn color, until they turn dark brown, and they're nice and crispy. Here you can see because of the flour combination we used. We'll put it on a paper towel so that extra oil can be soaked out, and then we will serve it with our favorite chutney, or you can just dunk them in ketchup and enjoy. We often have comfort food night at our home, and onion rings is definitely part of that comfort food night.